The legacy runway has served Brisbane and Queensland for the past 40 years. The first stage of that project saw them removing the old runway markings and establishing new runway markings, effectively shortening the runway so the runway is still in use even though works are happening right down the other end.
Today is the start of one of the most critical activities, which is the concrete saw cutting in preparation for slab removal.
So these slabs that we're standing on currently are designed to take up to 560,000 kilos, which is your largest A380 aircraft.
The taxiway was constructed in the 1980s with an intended design life of 40 years.
We have provided as much maintenance out here as possible for these 18 concrete slabs. They're now at end of life.
Now 18 sections of concrete slabs need replacing so this runway can reliably and safely serve Brisbane well into the future.
So one of the main innovations is engineering a pneumatic lifting device. This uses a vacuum lift to remove the concrete sections. The nickname for this device is the Super Dyson.
So this morning we're undertaking the first pour for the project. Just behind me here we're placing concrete in the 0.1R threshold. We're looking at approximately 130 cube of concrete this morning. We're looking to have it done just as the sun comes up.
So the reason why the contractor's placing the concrete in the early hours of the morning is a mitigation strategy. Prior to the concrete coming to the work area, they need to conduct some tests. One is compliance in regards to batch to place, 60 minutes. The other test is a slump test. Once that conforms, they'll allow the concrete truck to come to the work area. So the supply of the concrete is critical. It's a unique mix that's been designed purposely for the runway. There's been significant planning undertaken by the contractor to get to this point.
We started this project in about March this year, and today in August we're placing the first bit of concrete.
It is a critical piece of infrastructure for Brisbane, and we need to continue to make it safe and reliable for users of Brisbane Airport.